Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gyaani Coder, and in this series of videos, I am solving Hackerrank Python challenges. So today's challenge is string, split and join. Here, our task is we will be given a string and we have to split the string on a space and join using a hyphen. We can split a string on a space by using dot split and a list, and we are going to pass that list in the dot join method to get what we want. Okay, so we are going to just now return. I'm gonna use dot join method, but first let us just split the string to line dot split, and we want to split it on a space, so space, and I want to join it using a hyphen, so I will pass the hyphen here. Now let's run our code and see what we get. Our sample test case 0 is successfully run, so let's submit our code. Both the test cases is successfully run. If you like this video, then don't forget to click like, share, comment, subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive our latest video updates. And if you want to see my source code, the link is in the description box below. Thank you.